Welcome to the exploration of Top 5 Passive Incomes 2024. In this video, we dive into the captivating world of passive income. A world where your money works for you, even while you sleep. This is the power of passive income, a steady stream of revenue that requires minimal effort to maintain. It's the key to financial freedom and stability, and the best part? Anyone can tap into it. First on our list is dividend investing. A popular form of passive income, dividend investing involves buying shares in companies that distribute dividends to their shareholders. The key is to find companies with a strong track record of paying dividends. Diversification is also important. By spreading your investments across various sectors and industries, you reduce risk and increase potential returns. Remember, continuous monitoring and reinvestment of dividends can compound your earnings over time. Next, we have rental properties. This involves purchasing properties and renting them out. The rent collected becomes a regular source of income. The process includes finding the right property, securing financing, and managing the property effectively. A critical aspect of this strategy is tenant screening. A good tenant can make a world of difference. Regular maintenance is also essential to keep the property in top condition and to justify your rental rates. Third on our list is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services of other companies and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. The trick is to find products that align with your audience's interests. Promoting your affiliate links can be done through various channels such as blogs, social media, or email marketing. Remember, authenticity and value provision are key in affiliate marketing. Our fourth passive income stream is through digital products. This can be anything from ebooks to online courses or software. The key is to find a niche that you are knowledgeable and passionate about. Once you've created a high-quality product, effective marketing strategies can help you reach potential customers. Providing value to your audience will always be an effective sales strategy. Last but not least is peer-to-peer lending. This involves lending money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms that match lenders with borrowers. While the potential returns can be attractive, it's important to understand the risks involved. Diversifying your investments and conducting thorough due diligence can help mitigate these risks. In conclusion, these are the top 5 passive income streams of 2024: dividend investing, rental properties, affiliate marketing, digital products, and peer-to-peer lending. Each has its own unique advantages and potential challenges. Exploring these opportunities could open doors to new financial horizons. Remember, always do your own research and consider seeking professional advice. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We encourage you to subscribe for more enlightening content. We'd love to hear about your experiences and insights, so feel free to share in the comments section. Here's to your financial growth and success.